Okay, next exercise, let's write on page number 76. See here, a visit to my village. Now what we have to do, fill in the blanks with the words from the box. Here in this box some words are given. We have to fill up all these blanks with these words. Here as a picture also you have given clues. So let's read. These blanks are on village, right? Visit to village. So when one boy or one girl visited his or her village, and what did they do there? Okay, this thing they have described here. So let's see. In box, which different words are there? Horses, hay, village, pond, cat, grandmother, dogs, cow, milk, cock, kittens and hen. Okay, now we will see the picture and we will try to fill up these blanks. Okay, in June we went to a blank where my blank lives. Okay, now see the picture. In June we went to a village. So let's write here village. village, village. Okay, so cut village. Then where who lives? Grandmother. So we will write here grandmother. Okay, she has a farm on her farm. Okay, sorry, she has a farm, then full stop. On her farm there are many animals. Okay, my grandmother has a farm and on that farm there are many animals. Now let's see which are there. There are two blank. What is this? Horses. Okay, two are there. So we will write here horses. If one, we will write horse. But here two. So we will write horses. Horses. So cut horses. Grandmother also we have already written. A blank. What is this? Dog? No. Cow? No. Cat? Yes. So a cat. Only one cat. That's why here A is there, right? Two horses, a cat. With its, what is this? Yes, kitten. So we will cut the cat and we will write here kittens. It's kittens. Two. So KITTENS. Kittens. Right? So let's cut kittens also. Three blanks. What are these? Three dogs. So write here three dogs. One blank. What is this? Hen. One hen. As well as a blank. What is this? Hen and cock. So cut hen and let's write cock here. We have already cut. Cock, right? Male cock. Female hen. And a blank. What is this? Cow. And a cow. Every morning she feeds her animals with, what is this? Hay. What we call it? Hay. Every morning she feeds her animals with hay or what is this? Milk. क्या देती थी grandmother उनको? Hay or milk, because there are different animals. Some animals needs hay and some milk. They drink water from a blank on the farm. From where they drink water? What is this? Correct. Pond. So we will write here pond. So in this way you fill up all these blank. Okay, we have written all these words. So a visit to my village. With good handwriting, write this, a visit to my village, in your notebook. Okay students, let's do next exercise on page number 77. See here one picture given. Right, composition corner. Look at the picture and fill in the blank. Here one picture given. Here you can see some flowers, and around these flowers there are some bees. Right, so let's do. This is a blank. Here in box also you have some words, lines, to, flowers, bee, buzzed, buzzed. So what is this? This is a bee. Right, if we take one, if more than one, bees, but here A is given, so we will write B, only one bee. We will write here about only one bee. This is a bee. It has blank on its wings. What it has on his wings? Lines. Okay, so it has lines on its wings. So cut B and cut lines also. It has blank antennas. How many antennas? Feelers. Right, we have seen, no, that through this feeler they can get idea of anything, they can smell. Okay, so it has how many antennas? Two antennas. It buzzes round the, what is this? Flowers. So it buzzes round the flowers. It blank and came to the zoo. It, now two remains, buzzed and buzzed. It buzzed and buzzed and came to the zoo. Okay, now see, let's do. Help the bee to reach its home. What are the things that it met on the way that rhyme with bee? Okay, here you can see that here we have to help the bee to reach his honey bee. Right, so behave. So this is a honeybee, we have to help honeybee to reach to his home, right, and in the way to whom she met. Okay, which different things will come, and these all things are rhyme with the word bee. So if we start from here, then it meets on green peas, then tree, then key, and then tea. So now you find out the way. Okay, do it by your own. Okay, next exercise on page number 78. Okay, look at the pictures and fill in the blanks. Here there are pictures of different animals. You have to identify it and you have to fill up these blank. I will help you to identify the animal, but you fill up this blank first by your own. Then I will send you answer. Okay, so first see, what is this? Lion. So L is given, L-I-O-N. Right? Then what is this? Wolf. So W-O-L-F. Wolf. Then jackal, J-A-C-K-A-L, jackal. Then monkey, this is monkey, M-O is given, N-K-E-Y. Then chimpanzee, C-H-I-M-P-A-N-Z-E-E. Okay, then this is giraffe, G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. Then tiger, T-I-G-E-R. Then deer, D-E-E-R. Then owl, O-W-L. And then bear, B-E-A-R. Now see, Let's make the noise that animals make. Here, the animal which noise they make and what we call it is given, right? So we have to remember that we can say roar like a lion, okay? We cannot say speak like a lion. We have to say roar like a lion. Then neigh like a horse. Quack like a duck. कौन क्या आवाज़ कर रहा है उसके लिए स्पेशल वर्ड्स है. वी हैव टू रिमेंबर दीज वर्ड्स. ओके, वी कैन नॉट से दीज एनिमल्स स्पीक लाइक दिस, मेक नॉइज लाइक दिस. वी हैव टू स्पीक रोअर लाइक अ लायन, नी लाइक अ हॉर्स, क्वैक लाइक अ डक, bleat like a goat, grunt like a pig, bark like a dog, moo like a cow, chirp like a sparrow, chatter like a monkey, and hiss like a snake. So you have to remember that what the noises that snake make we call it. So you know hiss. Okay, monkey chatters, sparrow chirps, cow moos, a dog barks, a pig grunts, a goat bleat, a duck quack, a horse neigh, and a lion roar. So you make the noise, identify it and listen that which animal make which noise. And see here, join the dots and complete the name of the animal. Here you join this dot and then find out which animal is this starting from D. Do it by your own, then I will send you the answer. And here you have to practice on cursive writing practice you have to do here. In this page only you do. There is no need to write in notebook. Write it only in textbook. Here you have to trace it only. So do it properly.